Hey, Crisis.
Yeah.
How much space are you working with? Hi, YouTube.
16 gigs though.
Yeah. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Fitty, I got 32, but my brother took it. Oh yeah, I haven't done stretch. I'm taking it easy. I know Tyler's looking at me expecting some crazy shit. Relax. If I not like put target for when they train in that gravity chamber.
This is why I'm going to transform to Tamugimba.
Damn. Tiger is doing double cock today. You definitely, if you're doing that and we are seeing it, you're definitely hitting a double. Fede, okay, the thing, you will have the height for the double.
Yeah, so my thing,
yeah. Maybe we'll show you 1.5. Okay, height again. That's what I meant. But now we skip it, dog.
Yeah,
don't skip this. Pop. Like ride it up. And then before you switch. This nigga is flying, dog. Try landing with this leg and then hyper extend it to cut wheel something.
I'm
still being lazy.
Stop being lazy.
Man, you're shaking the energy drink out.
Yeah.
Oh my lord!
Did I spin how many times?
Twice!
Nice.
Twice! Twice!
Hey man, I might go hard. I was planning to go hard, but I might go hard.
No, bro! Like,
why am I not filming this? What the fuck is wrong with me, man?
I don't go out, but I have it here in HD.
Shy full.
Yeah. Right, delayed.
I'm so exactly. How do you like? I always do it like
exactly. For more boost.
I'm a responsible flipper, so I'm gonna stretch first. I'm not you guys.
You already stretched, bro.
Yeah?
I already stretched. When you left. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Damn.
Boom.
That's okay, yeah, is the card.
What's up, guys? William Tiger. Sinaz. My backpack. Hey. So,
Kill the camera, man.
So today, different thing. I wanna play Game of Flaps with the gents. So today, Game of Flaps.
So
that's all. Spega guti. Banana masema.
I said that.
I bet
taking it out back.
What was that?
I taught you this.
Let's see you try.
He's right.
Oh, Angbon, no general. As Angbon.
That's my teacher for real. Muntong fundisi backpack from, So, Nazi, if you're new, subscribe, like, comment, shit. Since I was son.
I was thinking of flipping over on him. So, game of flip. Let's go. 2, 1. Fuck, number last.
I'm always last. Oh shit.
Flash kick.
Yeah.
Okay. I was inside it is. Off the man.
That was nice.
That was not bad. That was not bad. I wasn't expecting that.
I'm just relaxing, yeah. So
wasn't bad.
I need to stop or something. Let me take it easy. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Yeah, it's definitely good.
You're set. You're set.
My set. Ja. Okay. Ja, aber du was soll ich sagen, ich denke ich.
Ja, stimmt. Ja, so das so cool. So.
Hey. Go.
Easy.
Yes,
Oh.
boy!
Actually. And
So
KT
there you
gets
are.
an F.
A. Oh, F.
Yes, sir. Game of flip. Get an F.
What the fuck was I thinking? Game of A. Let's go.
Game of S. Nice.
KT
Fail.
get an L.
One tasso. Bawin na so. Doesn't count. Redo. Redo. He did a.
I didn't have to.
He did a 270.
He did a 270. Ulendega.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. It's my set. Let me see.
What was that, KT?
Yeah.
Oh, aye.
Yeah, he did just do 2 roundoffs. That was nice though. F. Yeah, boy. Nice. Yo, it broke your hips. How old are you, man?
35.
Yeah, fuck at you.
Clean.
Are you sure?
Away.
Holy shit. Flip, I slipped.
Yo, dog.
I think the guy,
different.
he twisted his first before he.
And then you.
That's
what
the one we
fuck,
want to do.
bro?
That's the one we want to do. Yeah.
Oh, the full twist and back.
Imagine if we had tried this, he tucks. Oh, it's gonna be sick.
It's my set.
FLI. Kick. It's a gainer half twist, but me and kick it. That's one. Yeah, exactly like that. This is way clean. Since I like gainers and shit, half twisting and all that. Cool. Yeah, double is happening. Double is happening.
That's very predictable.
Let's go full. Ah, bruh. But that's part of the game, man. You gotta, you know? I don't know. No, like I had the whole sentence, but
namhlanje ama-sister cut different.
Mfana ngazi kambayo.
what?
Madala Thai.
I'm dying. Hey, bro, so early.
Ngapha nyawina.
And where we in bed?
I need a break.
Did you like hit, like overflex in muscle?
Yeah, I think I twisted too much. I don't know.
Everyone, you don't stretch, man. That's why shit like this happen. So, the leader's taking a break. That's weird and gay, but I didn't say anything.
Weird and gay.
I didn't say anything, man. I don't smell it. I'm going to say it.
Overtwisted.
Now what's up?
That's 164.
When he did the round off 4, my knee. If I do another one of those, I'm fucked. Because I always have knee problems. That's why I'm not handy. Like I'm a 2-step takeoff. I can, but
Now understand the viewers.
yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Dog, you don't understand the pain I'm in. We're not trained.
The manager it's a Sogomushay backpack. Nanda what's really
I need a break, dog. I need to, you know.
the only break more pugi now.
You're so long.
The break more pugi now. So relax.
Yeah. I am.
I'm on FLI.
It's Leo.
Yeah,
FL.
because I overworked.
By default, he's out.
Bachela kahle ukuthi udliwe lamadoda ethu.
Hi, Baba. They didn't. None in the one at the clip. I didn't even lose a trick. Anyways, it's about the game. So.
Now he's finna defend his championship. Let's see. 1-on-1.
Y'all don't say letters.
Side flip. Yep. 2-step. Yes.
Alright.
Bet. You already know what it is, man.
Abang ukuthi uyazifisa.
Nah, it's a letter. It's a letter.
I have no idea where I was in the sky, dog. Because when you see shy flash, and then I'm going to like my body's like,
You were out.
FLI. You hear that? Now we're tied. That rhymes. FLI. Now we're tied.
Let me try that combo I killed you.
Set the one.
Set me.
Yeah, he's going crazy, Mush. Okay. YouTube, I haven't started going crazy. I haven't started going crazy. I'm still like, I'm still wearing shoes. He's got no shoes. He should be slaughtering me, man. Get it.
I know, so it's everything in my boy.
But I'm not Tiger, so
Like 2 sides and what? A 4. Or cut you.
okay, YouTube. Bad news. He might win this if I don't do it.
Exactly.
Because I'm on FLI. Describe it.
Side. But I ain't also too. I didn't see. I don't know.
It was cut with half twist, and then cut with flip.
Cut with a half twist.
Yeah, then cut with flip. Not round. Not round.
No. Yeah, I lose.
I lose.
We playing flip or flips?
I don't know, man.
Or when we are flip, I don't know flips. Which one are you doing?
Flips.
Exactly. 5 letters.
It gives me a fighting chance, man.
Yeah, there's a
Flips.
Must
Alright, I'm on P.
Dali game of skates. I skates.
Yeah.
Dog, okay.
Skating is different.
Skates.
Exactly.
Flipping is different.
Exactly.
So okay, let's ask him. Are you taking it? Game of flips or flip?
Flip.
Then he wins.
If we win,
He wins.
We've been playing game of flip, not flip.
Yeah, he won. Try it. Rock, paper, scissors, another game. Let's go. New game. Crisis, you gonna film it? Yeah, we're gonna take a break, old man.
1-on-1. Yeah,
let's go. That was a warm up, you two. That was a fucking warm up. 3, 2, 1. Fuck off, man. I knew you were gonna throw rock again. Get it. It's only fair to start with that combo, bro.
Nah, it's not. It's my decision, man.
Hey, yo, Tiger. My feet stink, man, but I'm trying to go hard, that's all. That's why this sacrifice.
Yung guy this lane.
Camera, if the camera wants to smell this, you can come. Mo Eddie to forget like that's green smoky thing.
Smells like chicken.
It's okay.
Yeah, put some effects, man. Show them how my shit stinks.
It's at the air.
Just a backflip. That was a nice backflip.
I still don't know if I got my TV out correct.
Just a backflip though.
Wow. Matala bega shayin to.
Nice. Okay.
What you do?
Woo! Half twist, yeah. Hey.
F. Nice one though.
Nice. But you got it, man. You got it.
Yeah. Just left, yeah. JT with a scoot to 4. And a kick. Scoot full flash kick.
Hyper though.
It's hyper. Oh. Hyper.
Nice.
As they say.
Nice unless he killed me.
The young birds. Yeah.
So FF. Freaky.
Okay. Okay.
Oh shit, man! Hey! Hey yo! This nigga go hard on me.
Alright.
He said back sweep, scoop, and Arabian hook, ne?
Yeah, Arabian hook.
Arabian.
I'm not even gonna bother trying that. I'm not gonna try that. So FL, ne?
So
Tiger, check this out.
Oh.
Now let's start off easy. Don't need easy, but check this out.
Scoot to 4. Oh shit. Okay.
FL.
No,
Easy.
FL.
Nice one.
FL.
You're not even gonna try that shit.
FL Studio.
Do you see that, dog? Like, though, do you see that?
Bro, I can't even do a Valdez. That's what he did. Back and spring with one hand. Nah. Nah, this nigga crazy.
You going crazy? You try my Arabian hook at the end. Because he saw me bailing Arabian. Let's see what you got.
Let's see.
Just gonna do that.
Okay, just I don't know what to call that.
Adi. Almost kicked him, man. Aye, lend it.
Lend it.
This is not skating, nigga. This is not skating. You can.
As long as stand healing, it's a good one.
So I'm on FL. You on FL?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go F,
Go FL. He didn't do two of my tricks.
Okay.
Check this out.
Nope. I ain't gonna bother doing it.
What's a nope? Go first trick.
Imagine.
First trick.
I knew he was gonna do that.
I'm not done, bro.
Yeah.
Not fucking done.
Niggas taking a leg.
Stop playing with me, man.
Aye.
I'm not done.
Aye.
We will last later.
What? Yo, this guy is using the Arabian because it's my weakness, man. Because that whole combo I can do, not the half twist at the end. So, FLI, Citro. Someone can win this. Let's see.
FLI.
Last let. Oh,
Both
it's mine.
guys.
It's mine.
Ah, yeah, Maliam, Leo.
No, dog.
Yeah, 2003, I born.
2022.
You won't know where you go.
Let's get it.
Everyone is on the last letter. Nope. Cock. Ooh. Okay.
Just a cock hyper, man.
Nah. Yeah, more now we attempt.
If you had given me that ass, no homo,
That ass.
we would have had the game now. We'd still be going. You should have given me the ass, no homo.
Yeah.
All you had to do was give me the letter S. That ass, though.
Fully flips.
Do I win? Admit it.
You won.
Yes, baby.
Well, who won
I'm back in my winning streak.
The first one after 18 years.
After, yeah.
Oh, first winner.
First winner.
So it's his first win after 5 matches. It's his first win.
Another game.
Melenslali last one, Spawn.
Because he won one.
He won one.
Tiger, are you feeling?
It's actually.
He is Kukile.
So no game.
I am.
Last game?
You have to.
Are dead.
Yeah, last game.
My ankles are dying, fam.
These niggas are
But
weak.
it's fine, let's go.
Okay,
That's it's fine, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Our man have a issue attempt a tricks. No more.
We're rolling.
Rolling.
That would be nice.
Cool.
I ain't gonna first.
Oh.
Hey, I knew I get this time. That was nice, boy.
For your
I bailed
first trick.
For first trick,
I bailed myself. Bro, I'm seeing stars, legit.
yeah, I need to
I'm seeing
something,
stars.
yeah. Twisted more than usual.
Why you do this, man?
Bro, I didn't even land it. What you mean?
Where Sam?
Yeah?
Oh, when you sit down.
Yeah. Nigga going hard, innit?
Now we are hard. Baba was a hard move, you know. Hard move.
Because the last time I did this trick, but I still have fear. Which one is that?
I see keeping.
Woo! From spin set.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. What was that?
It was an actual cut view, then focus.
Clean.
Yeah, clean. At least.
Clean.
You're an F.
Nah, I'm
I wanna
not.
feel-
the first trick.
I want to feel how much power I have.
What was that, Baba?
Flip! No!
Are you gonna try that?
Nah!
I'm just testing if I got power. Yeah? So I think it seems I do.
Yeah? We're going F. Yeah, you go F.
First
Bro, it's the same combo he did. It's just he did a half twist. So like, let's go.
Who's gonna edit the TDR in the full twist at the end?
We're gonna see what I'm finna add. Let's get it. So he's on F. Damn. Bro.
That's a fake. I'm like, you know. Work hard.
Thank you out.
Hey, if when the editor motel come back,
One by default again.
Nizofara le editor routitier when he's wasted. My bad, man. I win again by default,
One
but
by
I'm not
one.
happy. I'm not happy.
Either way.
But let me try something.
Okay, KT,
This is for me.
Yeah. For the cam, for the YouTube, for the choo choo. wanting a double too.
Okay. I was a bit off angle. Just one more. I was a bit off angle. I can try double, ne?
I'll try a double
Cock. Okay, let's try that. One more.
double cock.
Last trick, boy, fast.
Fuck! That looks amazing. Either way, guys, thank you for watching Senzakasani TV. This is AMABACKBACK. I'm still hurt.
I almost kicked him in the face.
Dog, I can't twist. That's what I'm saying. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you for watching Senzakasani.
Lost the first one.